Welcome to my YouTube channel, Fun English Club. Hi, everyone! Today, I'm going to the market to buy a dress for myself. And guess what? While shopping, I'll show you how to speak English in real-life situations, like asking for prices, bargaining. So stay with me till the end, and let's learn together. Let's go and find a nice dress. I think this shop looks good. Let's go inside. I am in the shop now. Excuse me. Could you show me some dresses? I'm looking for something elegant, but not too expensive.
Of course, madam. Let me show you some new arrivals.
It fits well, but I'm not sure about the color. Do you have something brighter?
How about this red one? It really stands out.
How much is it?
It's 1,500 rupees. It's very good quality.
1,500? That's too expensive. Can you bring it down a little?
Madam, I've already cut down the price to as much as I can, but I can offer it for 1,350.
I've seen similar dresses for 1,000.
Those might not last long.
If you make it 1,100, I'll take it right away.
You drive a hard bargain. All right, 1,100 it is.
Before I decide, can I check out a few more designs?
Sure, feel free to look around.
This blue one looks decent, but the material feels a bit rough. I think I'll go with the red one.
Good choice. It usually gets sold out quickly.
Do you accept card or UPI? I don't have much cash on me.
Yes, we accept both. You can pay through UPI.
All right, I'll scan the code. Just a moment, done.
Let me check. Yes, the payment has gone through. I'll pack it up for you.
Thank you. By the way, if there's any issue, can I return it?
Yes, you can bring it back within 2 days with the bill.
That sounds good. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure. Do drop by again.
Now it's time to check the meaning of all the words and phrasal verbs that we used in this video, just like I promised. The first word is elegant. Elegant means stylish, graceful, or classy. For example, this dress is elegant. The next word is arrival. Arrival means something new that has just come in. For example, new arrivals are available in the shop. The next phrase is drive a hard bargain. Drive a hard bargain means trying to get the best price while negotiating. For example, she drives a hard bargain in the market. The next phrasal verb is pack up. Pack up means to put things into a bag or package. For example, she packed up the dress and left the shop. The next phrasal verb is look around. Look around both means to explore or check different things. For example, you can look around the shop before buying. The next phrasal verb is bring back. Bring back means to return something to a place. For example, you can bring back the dress if there is any issue. The next phrasal verb is go with. Go with means to choose or select something. For example, I will go with the red dress. The next phrasal verb is try on. Try on means to wear something to check if it fits. For example, can I try on this dress? The next phrasal verb is pull out. Pull out means to take something out from a place. For example, she pulled out a dress from the rack. The next phrasal verb is settle for. Settle for means to accept something, even if it's not perfect. For example, let's settle for this price. The next phrasal verb is come down. Come down means to reduce, especially a price. For example, Can you come down on the price? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow for more fun English learning videos.